Question number 33. Shahid and Rohit start from the same point in opposite directions. After each 1 kilometer, Shahid always turns left and Rohit always turns right. Which of the following statements is correct? Here we have 4 statements. We have to find the right statement regarding this given information. So here, Shahid and Rohit start from the same point in opposite directions. If this is the starting point, let us take Shahid moves in westward direction. This is Shahid. Then Rohit moves opposite to Shahid, where Shahid moves. That is in eastward direction. This is Rohit. Then after each 1 kilometer, Shahid turns left and Rohit always turns right. So Shahid turns left. Then he will move in this direction. One more kilometer. This 1 kilometer. Here it is also 1 kilometer. Similarly, Rohit also moving 1 kilometer before turning to any direction. Then again he moves 1 kilometer after turning left. Similarly, Rohit turns his right and moves 1 kilometer. Again after 1 kilometer, he turns 1 right and moves 1 more kilometer. Now see the options. First option, after both have traveled 2 kilometer, the distance between them is 4 kilometer. Here we can see 1 kilometer this direction, then 1. The distance between these two after travel 2 kilometer is equal to only 2 kilometer. Therefore, first statement is wrong. Then second statement, they meet after each has traveled 3 kilometer. 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. This is true. They meet after each has traveled 3 kilometer. Then third statement, they meet for the first time after each has traveled 4 kilometer. This is wrong. They go on without ever meeting again. This is also wrong. They could meet after 3 kilometer. Therefore, our answer is option B. They meet after each has traveled 3 kilometer. This is the right statement based on this given information.